Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to make an Italian side dish classic that is actually good enough just as a meal by itself. We're going to make risotto. Alright, now one of my favorite ways to eat risotto is with asparagus. Now asparagus risotto is perfect in my opinion. It's got crunch, it's got good mouthfeel, it's got good flavor, it really just has it all. The color's amazing. Now if you don't like asparagus, you can substitute whatever you want. You can use like mushrooms, you can use like onions, you can just do regular. It doesn't really matter, however you want to do it. It's your risotto, you do what you want. But today I'm going to show you guys how I make my patented asparagus risotto. Okay, now some of you might not have known, but risotto is actually the cooking technique and not the rice. The rice, in fact, is called arborio. Now, the thing about arborio rice is it's very small, very compact with starch. So you have to kind of shave away the layers of starch a little bit at a time, and that's why you add the chicken stock in a ladle at a time. It kind of just starts to dissolve the layers of starch so it can cook all the way through and actually absorb all the liquid. So it's just a matter of cooking risotto for a select period of time, very slowly, constantly stirring, very important to break down those starch layers. Alright, so who's ready to try out their hand at this Italian classic? I'm telling you, once you make risotto for the first time, you might never go back. Let's do this. Alright, now risotto is kind of the ultimate labor of love. It takes time, it takes dedication, it takes patience, but eventually you end up with something that's pretty amazing. So, kind of the ultimate food to make if you're a real food lover. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or food ideas you'd like to see made, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Alright, and don't forget to stop back later in the week where we're going to be making our own coffee creamers. This is going to be a not to miss one for all you coffee lovers out there. I'll see you then.